About HUL, that could be the stock in focus today on the back of the Q4 numbers, which came post-market hours. Numbers were slightly better than what the street was anticipating, particularly on the volume front, which came in at 4% versus your estimates of a 2 to 3% growth. Take us through the fine print and what the management commentary suggested.
Well, Rima, the numbers were above estimates, so there's no two ways about that. Revenue growth of 6.7%, closer to that 7% mark, was also above our expectations of a 5.5% growth. Volume growth, as you rightly pointed out, 4% versus the street range of 2 to 3%. And remember, the previous quarter, they did a 4% decline owing to demonetization. So this 4% growth, the management said, also had some element of pent-up demand and restocking post-demonetization. The good part was margins also expanded by 90 basis points versus our expectations of a stable margin regime. And that is because despite gross margins staying absolutely flat, we saw some rationalization in ad spends. So the numbers are above estimates, but the big question is the stock. That one is up 22% this year, now trades at 40 times 2-year forward earnings, 45 times 1-year forward earnings. So a question that could be anyone's answer is how much of it is in the price, and if one holds this stock, are they going to sell it today for the long term? It's a blue chip. I don't think a lot of people would do that. And that also brings to a third question, that if one hasn't entered the stock, does one do that? Again, that's anyone's answer. As far as the brokerages are concerned, 3 of them have a buy and an outperform rating, while Credit Suisse, Nomura has actually downgraded the stock to neutral owing to high valuations. Similar case coming in from Citi, JPM, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs too. They have increased their price targets but reduced their ratings.
Okay, by the way, you can see some